Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aditya's Creation, and today's video is really special because it's a Christmas video. And today I'm going to tell you how to make some easy decorations. I thought that I will make the DIY, but due to some problem I couldn't. So here, as you can see, I've taken a light green chart paper, pasted a stack, made some snowflakes, bell and a star with sketch pens. Also I wrote Merry Christmas with brush pens, and at the left I made a joy banner. I have cut it out 3 pieces from the same chart paper. At the top I have written J with red sketch pen and made some red glitter, and the second I have written O, and in third I have written Y in the form of stag head, and made some design with golden glitter and pasted all with a ribbon. So this was the left and center area. At the right I have made a paper stock, or you can say paper shock, or also you can see at the right side I have made a candy cane, a paper candy cane. I have just painted it white and made take some red washi tape and stripped it over that. And for paper shock you can also cut out the piece of the shock design from a paper and paint it, and paste some stars. At the downside I've taken a decorative ribbon, or you can say decorative washi tape, and with a bow. This bow you can also make paper bow, and this green ribbon type of thing you can see I have bought it from market and made it like arc design. This I bought a wreath from market. You can also make one with paper, and at the center I have pasted a tiny little Santa face, and at the top I have taken some Christmas decorations from market and pasted it. It says Merry Christmas. At the bottom it was the tedious part, and it was also my favorite DIY. It was fireplace DIY. For this you can take paper, take some sponge and brown acrylic paint. I put down all the sponges on A4 size sheet and attached them together, and at the between part I painted a fire and pasted it with the actual size. And this was how it was made. It took 2 days to get prepared. The main part of the Christmas decoration is the Christmas tree. As you can see, it is a normal Christmas tree, not a special one as you were thinking or anything. I have not DIY'd it, but just I have bought it from market and put some Christmas decoration that I have also bought from market. So this was my easy Christmas decor. I have only decorated a wall for Christmas, and but I thought that I should put every little thing related to Christmas in it, and I hope you like it. If yes, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new, because I create different types of creative videos every Tuesday, and I meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye and Merry Christmas.